Hey everybody! So today we're gonna be checking out the April Fool's updates of Thomas and Friends Roblox games. I think we're just gonna be doing It's Great to Be an Engine and Sort of Online, but hang on, just wait, hang on. Whoa! Guess this is for the April Fool's update. I can just go to the F3X, but why do I have a strange suspicion I'm probably gonna get jump scared or something? You know what? Hang on. Is there at least like a April Fool's engine or something first? Let me just check this out. No, nothing. No special engines. Nope. Well, don't mind if I do. And I immediately get exploded. Maybe the engines have been secretly... Maybe the engines have been changed maybe or something and just wasn't shown. Oh my god. He's beautiful. I'm telling you, man, he's beautiful. This looks like the type of Thomas I'd make in a Roblox game if I were to make a Roblox game. Edward. Oh my god, it's Waluigi. And he's on his... God, it's Waluigi. For some reason, that's Thomas's whistle. This is pretty cool. This is Waluigi from Super Mario. And Henry's the same. Alright, Gordon. Whoa. He looks pretty cool here. Oh, but they only changed his front, not the back. Oh god. Let's see, James. What does he look like? And nothing changed, per se. Nope, nothing. Wait, am I short? Yep, nothing. Toby. Oh my god. Pretty good remodel, not gonna lie. It's now one of the tallest engines in history. Like, look at this. Yes, 7. Let's see here. What about the Scottish twins? Did they change at all? You know what I'm just saying here, I'm gonna predict that duck is gonna look like an actual duck. Ball? Wait, there's a ball somewhere? Hang on, was I right? Oh my god. Small eastern highways. I was kinda right, he's a green duck. You know, I think I was just right entirely. He's a legit duck. Nope, nothing. What the? Where'd you get that? No. Oh, there's a ball. I'm gonna take this one. Ooh, I'm gonna enter. Ooh. Whoa. Oh boy, another thing for after this. Oh my god. I'm rolling on the track. Let's go find Squidward. Whoa. Let me tunnel. Man, this is fun. Whoa. Dang. Ow. Oh god. Look at this, I made it all the way to Crosby. Holy crap. I'm going so insanely fast. Uh-oh. No. Alright, next game. Alright, so the next game we're gonna play is Locos Online. But, you know, the thumbnail looked a bit different. And also, the game looks a lot different now. And it's just basically now called Blue Boko. Oh, hey, look, this got changed. That's pretty cool. Let's see here. I think if I just... Wait, whoa. Yep, this Locos Online guess got turned into a... Wait, Cranky?
Ain't nothing nothing but bags.
What's he doing
Bags, I
here?
say bags.
That's strange. Okay. Let's see here. And I just... Wait, what the... Wait, what? Why is there... What? What the... This is weird. Look at this. I have never seen a standard gauge smudger before. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what... Hang on. Let's try in using Cranky. Hang on. I want to... Let's see. I'm inside Cranky. But wait, how do I activate him? Hang on. I think... Yeah, it's that green button it has on top of him. Alright. Oh my god, yes, we attached Smudger to Cranky. Oh my god, we're actually lifting him up. Oh my god, Smudger! Oh my god. Oh no. No. Wait, what the heck? Yeah, we should definitely get back at him. He's going crazy. Also, I just realized the roads are now blue, which is interesting. Which kind of... Maybe it's a trace of Blue Boko, the dearest engine. Oh, great. Now, how am I supposed to do this? Oh, yeah, wait a second. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's real! The standard gauge, narrow gauge truck is actually real!
Oh no! It's an overturned standard gauge, narrow gauge truck. I have to stop. Are you okay?
All I can see is another truck's backside. Yay, potty humor!
No way! Why is there a merry-go-round here? Oh my god. Oh no! Look guys, look! More traces of Blue Boko, the deer engine. Hang on, Luke. We must use the force to catch Blue Boko. Oh, crap. There we go. Whee! Also, there's more traces of Blue Boko, such as Knapford Station is just kind of blue now. Whoa, let's see here. Let's try and get into Groven's Gate. Hang on. You know, I don't know if this is actually real, but I think I seen a video of someone talking about the Soda Online April Fool's update, the one I'm playing right now, saying that in the Great Western, there's Cranky's father. I don't know if this is actually real, so let's go check it out. Let's just go to the Great Western. Whoa. It seems that they changed this nothing. You know, the Ulster Castle texture. I think they swapped it for that. Is that Thomas's branch line? Man, this just keeps getting weirder and... Oh my god, they were right all along! There's a huge Cranky!
They're nothing but bags.
And he's much larger than me! Or than the Cranky we saw back at Knapford. Jesus Christ! He is huge! And Bostro's kind of dead. Let's see, what does Thomas look like? Oh my god, he is so tiny! Oh my god, they're literally... You're like the size of my trains, you know. Oh god. Hang on. Let's see here. What about Boko? You know, since this is called Blue Boko. Oh, right. I can't afford them. Because I'm poor. Wah. Wait a second. What about... Oh my god. Even Joe Swanson got narrow gauged. But you know, I have seen in that video of Blue Boko. Hi, Derek. And it's just some simple recolor of Loco. He's just simply blue. That's all he is. And hang on, I think I've heard at the waist stump there's an invasion of Tobies. That's what I've heard. And we'll go check out the little ramp thing later. Oh my god! They were right! Oh no, there's an entire invasion of Tobies! Oh my god! The Tobies! Ah! Oh no! Hey, go, 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 go! Hopefully we can do this. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Oh my god. Wait, are we actually doing it? No, we're losing speed. Come on. Sir Handel, you can do it. I believe in you, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, I know you can do it. If this doesn't work, we're gonna go on to plan B. Wait a second. Oh my god. Yes! We actually did it! Woo! Yes! I actually did it! There, I can see the steamworks from up here. That's pretty cool. And you know that I think about it, where does this take me anyway? And I can see the whole bridge thing! Aha! Harold! Everybody, let's go. Hang on, we're gonna go to the Great Western to see what... Let's see if we can get onto the giant cranky. There he be! Whoa, let's... hang on. Let's slow down, slow down, slow down! Oh my god, look at this! Wait a sec. That's not... What? That's Diesel on the... What? So Cranky's father is secretly Diesel and no one knew this entire time? Going... Yes, I made it! I made it to the top! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is awesome. I'm literally inside the biggest thing in history. Or something, I don't know. Oh crap. Oh!
You must have known my arm can't reach you there. You should look up to the ships and show more respect. If you should look up to the stars on the inside lines, I wouldn't have so far to travel.
Oh no! Oh no. No. Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh. Well, that's the last we're gonna see of him because I secretly sent in a nuke. Well guys, this is gonna be it for today's video now guys. If you liked it, like, subscribe, click the bell notifications, select all. And I'll see you all next time. Bye! Hang on. Okay. Hang on, I remember this. Stewie. What the... No Stewie. Wait, what the heck?